What's going on, people? What's going on, people? What is Chef Sexxxy dealing with today in the Dutch pot? Uh-oh. Da-da! Brown stew bird. It's a tasty bird. That's Chef Sexxxy word. And you ain't never gonna know unless you taste it. What I got in this brown stewed chicken here. Still stewing down. Alright, I got dumpling. I got organic potato. I got carrots. I got celery. I got garlic. I got onions. I got ginger. And that's pretty much what's going on in this brown stew. I figure another 15 minutes. Let the gravy thicken up. I'm about to leave off the top. Get that gravy a little thicker and we good to go. You know? Boy. And I make them dumpling big, boy. Watch them dumpling. Because the last one that I made for my sister and my aunt's birthday was slamming. But you have to go looking for dumpling. You ain't looking for dumpling today, boy. Pear dumpling in there, man. Pear dumpling. What we gonna do on the side with that? I got some jasmine rice. So that's the jasmine rice there. Got some okra. And that's the deal with that. So this is a nice little meal. I ain't eat for the day yet, so this is breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Chef Sexxxy! Dutch Pot Chronicles. Salute!